English phrases and sentences with Tagalog translation, intermediate level. I need to take care of something first.
May aasikasuhin lang ako sandali.
I'm not comfortable with that.
Hindi ako komportable dyan.
I didn't expect that.
Hindi ko inaasahan yan.
What do you mean by that?
Ano ang ibig mong sabihin doon?
I don't think that will work for me.
Sa tingin ko hindi yan gagana sa akin.
Could you please repeat that more slowly?
Maaari mo bang ulitin iyon ng mas mabagal?
I didn't realize it was that important.
Hindi ko akalain na ganun pala kaimportante yan.
Back in a bit, just grabbing food.
Babalik ako agad, kukuha lang ako ng pagkain.
That's a good question.
Magandang tanong yan.
I'm not sure, but I can try.
Hindi ako sigurado, pero pwede kong subukan.
I'll think about it.
Pag-iisipan ko muna.
I'm not sure I understand what you mean.
Hindi ako sigurado kung naiintindihan ko ang ibig mong sabihin.
I'm sorry, but I have other things to do.
Pasensya na, pero may iba pa akong gagawin.
I'll take care of it right away.
Aasikasuhin ko agad yan.
This is still new to me.
Bago pa lang sa akin to,
Can we talk about this later?
pwede ba nating pag-usapan to mamaya?
Let's take a break.
Magpahinga muna tayo.
I'm not available at the moment.
Hindi ako pwede sa ngayon.
If I understand correctly, you want me to rewrite this report.
Kung tama ang pagkakaunawa ko, gusto mong isulat ko muli ang ulat na to.
What I meant to say was that we need more time, not more money.
Ang ibig kong sabihin ay kailangan natin ng mas maraming oras, hindi mas maraming pera.
It's up to you.
Ikaw ang bahala.
What are your thoughts on this?
Anong palagay mo rito?
You never know, it might work.
Malay mo gumana.
What's the catch?
Anong kapalit? Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more.